A very good morning to you, dear children. Today in our English class, we are going to learn about comprehension. You do not have to write anything, just pay attention and try to understand what I am teaching you. What is comprehension? This is a big word. We can break it up into parts and learn how to say the word or how to pronounce the word. Comprehension. The term comprehension refers to the ability to understand something. When we are told something, we can only do the action related if we understand what is being told to us. We must learn to read well, understand what we read, and be able to answer questions about what we read. Reading and comprehending or understanding what we read keeps our brain healthy. Make reading a habit as it will help you communicate better and also help you to make decisions in life. Happy reading and comprehending. Today we are going to read a story, The Greedy Lion. It is a small story and it is a comprehension. So we have to read, then understand, and then answer questions relating to the story. I am reading. You can also read loudly in your house. One day in the jungle, a lion saw a beautiful little lamb and he wanted to eat it. Just as he was thinking of the plan to eat the lamb, saying to himself, "That lamb will make a good dinner," he saw a deer pass by from just there. Seeing the deer, who was at some distance, the lion said to himself, "This will be a better dinner." Saying so, the lion left the lamb and ran after the deer. However, the deer, who runs very fast, was soon out of the sight of the lion. The lion could not see the deer anymore because the deer had run away very, very fast. Soon the lion saw that he would not be able to chase and catch the deer far, and so he decided to return to where the lamb was. The lion understood that the deer has run away very, very fast and he would not be able to catch it. So he thought, now let me go back to the lamb and I will eat the lamb. When the lion came back, the lamb had gone away to safety. And so the lion was left hungry. He tried for more and better. He lost the little he had. So the lion was very greedy. He wanted to eat the lamb, but then he saw the deer. Then he wanted to eat the deer. And then what happened? Because he was very greedy, the deer also ran away, the lamb also ran away, and the lion had to remain hungry. He could not catch anything. So what do we learn from this lesson? It is not good to be greedy because it makes us lose what we have. We should learn to be satisfied with whatever we have. Look at the face of the lion. He is so sad because he was greedy. He could not get anything to eat. So children, you have to understand this small passage and then you have to learn to answer questions. Answer the following questions after reading the story well. Question 1. If you want, you can read the story one more time and then try to answer orally these questions. Where did the lion see the lamb? Try to remember the answer. Yes, the lion saw the lamb in the jungle. Question 2. What did the lion think in his mind when he saw the beautiful lamb? Do you remember what he said? Yes, he thought that the lamb would make good dinner for him to eat. Lamb is the baby of a sheep. Number 3. What did the lion see at some distance? Come on, try to remember the story. Yes, he saw a deer pass by. What did the lion think when he saw the deer? The lion thought that the deer would make better dinner. He was greedy, so he thought, let me leave the lamb and run after the deer. Question 5. What did the lion do when he saw the deer? Do you remember what the lion did when he saw the deer? Yes, he ran after the deer. Question 6. Could the lion catch the deer? Why? Why could he not catch the deer? No, the lion could not catch the deer because the deer ran away very fast. Children, you have to give complete answers. You cannot just write one word to give the answer. You have to give complete sentences. Could the lion eat the lamb? Why? No, the lamb ran away to safety. Number 8. List 5 common nouns from the story. You have learned in the grammar classes about common nouns. Read the lesson and try to give me 5 common nouns. Remember in your mind, I will show you the answer. Jungle, lion, lamb, deer, dinner. These are all common nouns, general names of things. Question 9. What we learn from the story is called the moral of the story. What is the moral of the story here? It is not good to be greedy because it makes us lose what we have. Okay, now children, look at question 10. Match the following to get correct sentences. The lamb was, I have given 3 options. You have to put the number in the correct place. The lamb was, yes, beautiful. So next to beautiful, I have placed number 1. So this completes the sentence. The lamb was beautiful. The deer ran fast. Yes. Next to number 2, I have fast, which is the correct answer to complete this sentence. The deer ran fast. And number 3, the lion was greedy. Yes. So next to greedy, I have put number 3. So children, I hope you have understood what comprehension is. You can read the comprehension passage and understand the story. This is today's prep time. You have to do this prep work. Number 2, try to read storybooks every day. Few lines you can read, 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. Whatever you read, you try to remember that and understand that. Number 3, complete the lesson 6 revision worksheet uploaded in classroom section of ERP. I have uploaded a revision worksheet of lesson 6. You can complete that. Do not submit the same as the answer key has been uploaded in the classroom section of the ERP. First, you try to answer the questions on your own. Then you compare with the answer key. And if you have made mistakes, you can correct the same and complete it. Thank you and happy reading.